Model, 2013 Volkswagen Caddy C20 1.6 TDI 102 PS. Runs and drives great color. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 183910. MOT, the 19th of March 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6 TDI 102 PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox is whining and struggles to select gear it will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, parking sensors, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.